In today's video, we're gonna test this Viofo A119 Mini 2. This is a new and improved camera. This is one channel camera, 2K resolution. And in today's video, we're gonna test the day view video, night view video. We're gonna see how to download the videos, and we're gonna see the settings for the camera in today's video. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. Comes with the extra double-sided tape. The camera, you can see the camera. The camera is in the front like this one. Has a screen, 1.5-inch screen. The buttons are on the front. The menu, record button, mic button, Wi-Fi, and this one is to lock the video. Okay, you can put the micro SD card here on the side. And for the power, you can connect it here or here, but if you want the GPS to be on, you have to connect it here. Okay, so you have two options, here or here. Okay, that's the camera. Some stickers to place it on the windshield, the manual, some warranty, the cable. This one, if you want to connect this one to the computer, this is the cable for the camera, USB-C to USB-A. Here is the cigarette lighter adapter with the two USB connections on the back. That's good. So this is everything that comes inside on the box. Also remember to get a micro SD card. This is a 64 SD card that you can use for the camera. And hard wiring kit. This one is only if you want to have the camera for the parking mode, or if you don't want to connect this to hide the cables, you can use this one to hide the cables and make it not visible. Okay, and they have this option. It's a circular polarized lens filter for the camera. This one is great to reduce the glare of the sun or the lights of the car. Okay, let me see if you can see the size. This is my iPhone. This is iPhone 12, the regular size. And look at that, the size of the camera. It's like a 1/4 of my phone. Look at that. That's nice.
Recording started.
Okay, and this one has 4 buttons here and one on the bottom. Okay, the first one is to take a screenshot. Okay, and also with this one you can turn on the screen. When the screen is off, you can turn it on in there. Okay, the next one is to stop or turn on the recording, like that. Or to start the recording again.
Recording started.
Okay, and the next one is to the microphone, to turn on and off the microphone.
Voice recording disabled. Voice recording enabled.
Yes, and the last one is to turn on and off the Wi-Fi. This one, but I'm not gonna turn it on right now. And this one on the bottom is to lock the video. If you're in an accident, you can lock the video right there. Okay, now let's see the menu. In order to see the menu, you have to turn off the recording.
Recording started.
Let me see, like that. Now let's put the menu. The first one is the resolution. Oh, this one is the enter. Okay, you can pick any one that you want. I'm gonna leave it on the highest one, 30 frames per second. That's good for me. Okay, next, the bit rate. Medium, high, and low. I'm gonna leave it in medium. Next, loop recording. I'm gonna leave it in 1 minute. You can put it 2 and 3 minutes. 1 minute is good for me. Exposure 0. I don't want to move that one. Then the HDR is on. I'm gonna leave it on. Parking mode. Remember, for the parking mode you will need a hard wiring kit. It's off. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it off. Enter parking mode timer. Okay, but it's off right now. I'm gonna leave it off. This one, 12 hours, 24 hours, and 48 hours. I'm gonna leave it on 12 hours. This one is a parking recording timer. Okay, the next one, parking G sensor in medium. Low, medium, and high. I'm gonna leave it in medium. Then the next one, parking motion detection is in the middle. That's good. It's good. And then time lapse recording, it's off. I'm gonna leave it off. Motion detection, yeah, I'm gonna leave it on. And then the GPS it's on. Yeah, let's leave it on. Disable GPS in parking mode. Yeah, it's on. Yeah. Speed unit, kilometers. No, I'm gonna leave it in miles per hour. Let's see if I did it. Yes, miles per hour. The G sensor, low, medium, and high. I'm gonna leave it in low. And then the Wi-Fi, 20 hertz, 5 hertz, and 5.8 hertz. I think I'm gonna leave it in 5 hertz. It's faster. And the date stamp is on. Yes. GP3 info stamp, all info. Yeah, all info. For now I'm gonna leave it like that. If not, I'm gonna change it. Let me show you what else do we have in here. You have all info, speed, and coordinates. Let's leave it all for now. Camera model stamp. Nah, I don't want the camera model. Leave it off. Oop. Yeah, leave it off. The next one is record audio. It's on. Screensaver. After 30 seconds, it will turn off the screen. Then boot delay off. Yeah, boot delay. Let's leave it off. LED, the lights, leave them on. Date and time. Let's see. Well, I will change it later, but this is a day, month, and year like that. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, and the next one is the time zone. Let's go there. I think this in here is in +6. +6, I think, no? I think so. I'm not. Okay. Language, English. Volume. I'm gonna put it in low. Yeah, volume in low. Yeah, that's better. It's too loud. Voice notification. I'm gonna put it off. Voice control. It's okay. Well, I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't know how to use it, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Voice commands. Oh, this take photo. Start recording, video stop. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. For now, I'm gonna just leave it like that. The beep sound, all on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it all on. Frequency, 50 or 60 hertz. Okay. Let's see 60 hertz. Image rotation, it's off because in this one it's only when the camera is upside down you can flip the image. Image mirror, format SD card, we don't want to format that. Format warning, default setting, you can set this one to the default settings. Car number. Let's see what car number. Oh, you can put the plate maybe, or the number of the car. Yeah. Okay. Then comes custom text. If you want to add custom text, no, we don't want that. Firmware version. That's the info. That's it. Okay. Now let's download the app and let's see how it works. Okay, the first thing is to open the app, this one, download this one, the Viofo app, then turn on the Wi-Fi on the camera, right there, hold it for 3 seconds and it will turn on. Then you will find the Viofo, put the password, connect to that, open the app, and then connect. And then it's connected to the camera. Okay, first thing, you can switch the camera here, but this is only one channel camera. You can take a screenshot in there, and then the files are here. But first, turn off the recording. Then you can click here to download any of the videos. These are all the videos. Click on the video that you want to download, and click on this arrow, and it will download. This one downloaded faster because it's a small video. Okay, and then you can have the log videos, the images, and the other files. Okay. Now, let's go to the settings. First, stop recording. We have to stop to the recording. These are the same settings that we already did on the camera, but here is the 2K resolution, 10 frames per second. Loop recording, 1 minute. Record the audio, the exposure, HDR, the motion detector, G sensor, or the things, the zone, time zone, the date and time. Let's change it to this one. Time, sync the time with the phone. You can do it in there. Okay. But delay is off. Parking mode is off because I don't have a hard wiring kit. Okay, 12 hours off. G sensor, medium. Okay, mirror the camera. We don't want to do that. This is the notifications, all on. Yeah. Startup only, we'll leave it on all on. Okay, and then speed and coordinates, let's leave it on everything. Okay, all. The screensaver, 30 seconds. The frequency, language, English, low. So all the settings that we already saw on the camera, they are here. If this one is easier to change it, you can do it here. So now let's test the day view and night view video resolution for the camera. Okay, this is the debut 2K resolution for the front camera. This is only one channel camera, but as you can see, the resolution is great. It looks very nice. I pointed the camera a little bit too high, but on the night view, I lowered it a little bit. But in this one, on the debut, it's gonna look like this. On this truck, the license plate is a paper license plate, so it's wet, so it's hard to see it, but the resolution looks very good. Okay, you can read the license plates very clear, as you can see. This camera has a new chip, STARVIS 2 is the Sony STARVIS 2 is the chip. So that chip, it helps with the resolution of the camera and the view, but this one is 30 frames per second because I'm using the HDR view. If you turn off the HDR, you can bump it up to 60 frames per second. I think that one is better, but you cannot use the HDR with the 60 frames per second. But in my opinion, this looks good, looks pretty clear. On the debut, no complaints, it looks great. And now this is the night view 2K resolution for the camera. This is front view, one channel camera. And as you can see, it looks very good. The glare of the car is not affecting the camera. It's still visible. The license plate is visible. It's very good. It has a night vision, as you can see. It looks pretty good. Everything is clear. I can see the license plate from both cars. It's perfect. As you can see, it's very good. And also this camera has HDR. That is, it helps the view for the night view to balance the lights with the dark video. As you can see here, is the lights from the headlight. The middle area has lights and the other area on the top is dark, but still you can see the clouds. That's amazing. That means this night view it's great. You can see on the top of the sky, you can even see the clouds. But the most important thing is the license plates at the car. It's perfect, it's super clear, I can see everything. It's amazing, I recommend it. Okay guys, so this is the Viofo Mini 2. The model is the A119. This is an improved version from the previous one, Mini 1. Okay, so it's amazing. This one has a new chip, Sony STARVIS 2, and that helps a lot with the night vision, the HDR, and the resolution of the view of the camera. I recommend it, it looks great. So the link for this product is gonna be on the description on the video down below. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that helps the channel a lot, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.